I mean, up it. It goes a little something like this. To do is come down there and clap your face.
There was just a girl from an old town. She didn't tell me she had 5 brothers. We got caught kissing, then they told her father I got the best. Oh, now I can't look up.
For those who don't understand English, I want a party. I want a party. Aloha. Kahiki. Filipino, I kill you.
There was a Sunday girl from Otahu. She had a nice skin, but her lips were juju. She called up to me and asked me out. I said, nah, I'm sorry, I'm fully booked up. There was a Sunday girl, her name was Ruta. She was so sweet, just like a sugar. She followed me around, you know, like a stalker. She said,